Hello everyone, this is Pai. Today I'll be showing you this makeup look. This is inspired by Karina's look in Aespa Dreams Come True music video. If you want to know how to do this makeup look, watch this video until the end. Now, let's begin with the tutorial. I will start by applying a satin finish foundation all over my face evenly. And then I will cover the dark circles and smile lines with a light shade liquid concealer. Next, I will draw the eyebrows. First of all, I'm going to shape it by using a light brown eyebrow pencil. And then I'm going to apply a dark brown eyebrow powder on top of it. Next, I'm going to contour my nose. Karina has a high nose bridge, so I'm going to make the illusion on my nose to make it look higher. And then I'm going to contour the side of my face and my jawline. I need to apply more shading onto the cheekbones area to make my face look smaller and slimmer. Now for the makeup, I'm going to take a matte brownish color and apply it all over my lid and then blend it upwards towards the eyebrow like this. Next, I'm going to apply a shimmer base color to lighten this area. Next, I'm going to apply a shimmer warm tone gray color onto the mobile eyelid and make a cat eye shape at the end of the eye like this. To make it easier to apply the eyeshadow, I'm going to make a trace first by using a dark brown eyeshadow and draw a wing at the end. And then I'm going to apply a dark gray eyeshadow onto the outer and inner corner of the eye. Make sure to blend it even. Next, I'm going to do the cat eye eyeliner by following the trace. Next, I'm going to apply a shimmer light gray shadow onto the middle part of the eyelid and then use an eyeshadow brush to tone down the shimmer a little bit like this. And next, I'm going to apply a salmon color onto the lower lid a little bit. Now, I'm going to finish off their makeup by applying falsies and applying mascara. Let's apply a little bit of highlighter onto the nose. And then apply a little bit of pink blusher. Just a little bit. For the lips, I'm going to apply the base color first, and it's going to cover the lip line as well. And then I'm going to apply the main color on top of it, which is a magenta color, and blend it evenly. And the makeup is done. Alright, this is the finished look. What do you think about this makeup look? If you like this tutorial, please leave a comment down below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!